We looked at 3 different vendors, and at first it was difficult making comparisons because their estimates laid out differently.
At the end of the day, Solar Tops really helped us understand the differences and kind of ferreting out what was really important. The guys were in, they were out, professional guys, very courteous. I want to say the whole process took maybe 3 days. No issues with the installation, no issues with the operation. It just has worked.
This year we did get a nice surprise when I got our June bill.
Rhonda comes in and announces, hey, our power bill was negative $20. It's like, nice. I mean, we're running pools and air conditioners and, lights, etc. And it's just, we can do whatever we want. We've been able to apply the money to vacations where we bought art. It's contributed to a lot of financial freedom as far as we're concerned.